Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials regarding topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about the best trading apps that's available. So trading apps are normally by country because each country has different stock if you're in the US or if you're in the UK. So for today's video, I'm just going to give you a two trading app list. One is for India, the other is for UK. So for the India, the best trading app is Upstox Pro app. That's the best one. That's everyone's gonna recommend that. You can also go for HDFC Securities. They're pretty popular in India. They have quite a lot of ads for them on the TV as well. Then you got Zero Guide, Angel Broken, Grow app, 5paisa online trading app, Sharekhan app. All of these. Pause the video and take a look at the list if you want to see all of them. And for UK, the UK one is a bit more detailed because I found when I was researching, it was more detailed for the UK ones. So the UK trading apps, free trade, it's the best for beginners. So if you're someone who's just getting on to trading, use Free Trader. eToro, I've seen hundreds of ads for eToro on YouTube, Facebook. They take zero commission. It is it's a bit harder than free trade, but there's no commission. Like they're not gonna take any commission. Like the money you earn is the money it's completely yours. And then you got Digero. I'm not sure, Digero, not sure how to pronounce that, but if you want to do some international trading, that's the best one. Then you got IG for trading resources, Harvard Garden. And then all of these are capital.com if you want to get US shares. That's one you can always go for. So as you can see, there are multiple trading apps. These are the best ones that I found out of all of them. So yeah, pause the video, take a look at all of them, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.